All right, in this second video, we're gonna be getting objects like this butterfly and bird, and we're gonna be incorporating it into the background before we add me on top here. So we're gonna go into Google again, or actually you could just type in butterfly. So butterfly here, and when you guys are looking for images, the easiest ones are gonna be ones like this one here with the white background, because it's going to allow us to just kind of select the background out and delete it and then just use the butterfly. I'm going to take this one right here, hit copy, and then I'm going to go into Photoshop. I'm going to edit, paste, and here's that butterfly image. So the simplest way to do this is to take the magic wand tool, which is right here. You can simply just select the white area and hit delete, and that deletes that away. The other thing you can do too is, if you remember layer masking, you can select that area here, go to inverse, and then hit mask, and that will do the same thing. But for this purpose, we're just going to hit delete. Oops, my bad. Make sure you, yep, there it is. I undid that. There we go. Just hit delete. And we're going to call this butterfly 1. Okay. Now, when we have this selected, I'm going to go back to the move tool here. Now, this is going to allow me to scale this up and down again. Remember that? So go ahead, just add some butterflies to this. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. Rotate it here. And then once you guys make like 3 different butterflies. So now to make another butterfly, you can just duplicate this layer. And we're going to call this butterfly number 2. And we're just going to move it over here. And we can rotate it this way. We could also shrink it down. And then I'm going to duplicate it one more time. And then rotate it here. Scale it down, go ahead and enter. Okay, there's my 3 butterflies. Now let's go find a bird. Same idea. We're going to go here. Because it's fondy, let's do cardinal. Bird. Now this one's pretty sick. Oops, I spelled cardinal wrong, sorry. This one's pretty cool, so let's just go with this one. Right click here, copy, then go back into Photoshop. Now, this time it's going to be a little bit more difficult because we have a background. So we're going to paste this in here. Now I'm going to zoom in here. This time what we're going to do is we're going to use that magic wand tool. Now you're going to be clicking this right here, or you can simply hold down Shift and magic wand the background here. We could also use this quick selection tool and try to just select. Oops, that didn't work. So we're going to undo that. Back to the magic wand tool. And I want you guys to just, we're trying to select the area around the bird. Okay. Now that we have this area selected, so I'm just clicking the area around the bird. We're going to inverse this selection so that we got the bird. So we're going to go to inverse here, and we're going to go and select our clipping mask. So let's name this card right away. Now, if I look at this, obviously this wasn't cut out very well. So I'm going to go back to here, and I'm just going to brush some of this cardinal back. Sticks here. Log. That looks pretty good. Remember X, the white brush. White brush is going to bring it back. Black brush is going to erase. So remember that as you guys are chopping your stuff up. The other thing you can do too, if you go to this layer here, you can go. There we go. That looks okay. And then now we're going to go here and adjust. Adjust our brightness and contrast. Turn down the brightness. Turn up the contrast. Now my edges are still not clean. So what you guys can do to clean up your edges, all right, we're gonna click this button right here. We're gonna hit Command and we're gonna click that. This is going to select what's inside of our mask. All right, once that's being selected, where is it? Here we go. We're gonna click the magic wand tool. We're gonna go select mask and we're gonna feather this out. So this is going to smooth out our edges here. Then we're going to hit OK. Then I want you guys to hit, do I want you guys to hit delete? Nope. Inverse. There we go. Okay, so undo, 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 undo. So let's start this over. So first off, we're going to hit this. We're going to go to our magic wand tool. We're going to go to select mask here. And then what I want you guys to do is we're going to feather this out a little bit. That's going to soften our edge. Then we're going to go to hit OK. And then, yep. We want to inverse this. Come on, brush. There it is. There we go. All right, this is what we want. So all I'm doing here is brushing over here with the black brush. I inverse this. This is going to soften our edge up for us. Now when I deselect that, there we go. Our edge is a little bit softer. There it is. There's our cardinal. Now, if you guys get stuck with that, I will show you what to do. Then we're going to go to our brightness and contrast. Let's contrast this up again. Go ahead, go to our levels. I'm going to make this a little bit darker. Bring down the brightness a bit. All right, there is my cardinal using layer mask. All right, and then let's say we wanted to rotate this. You're going to go to Edit, Transform, and then you can flip horizontal or vertical. There's our cardinal. All right, I'm going to go to File, Save. In the next video, I'm going to bring me into this picture and add more elements. So you guys should be saving to your practice folder. Save, hit OK.